Hello, welcome to AOJ Language School. Enroll now for fall semester at AOJ Language School and get up to 2 months tuition free. AOJ Language School enrollment for the fall semester 2024 is now open. You will start your study at school in October 2024. AOJ Language School is running a fall semester enrollment promotion. And guess what? The first month is completely free for all students. But that's not all. For those who continue studying until the end of the semester, we have a special gift, a cashback of the 1 month tuition fee. Don't miss out. The application deadline is September 18, 2024. Be sure to submit your application on time. We have online information sections on September 9 and September 14, where you can learn more about the enrollment and tuition. This section provides an opportunity for direct communication with our school representative, who will be available to answer any question you may have. We encourage you to participate in this section and take advantage of this opportunity. The enrollment for the fall semester is for a limited time only. We encourage you to apply early to secure your spot and take advantage of the special offer of up to 2 months of tuition-free learning. Let's AOJ Language School open the door to the world of the Japanese language for you. We are here to empower you in achieving your dreams and goals. We are look forward to welcoming you.